Hello and welcome back. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint, and this is third video in the series of HTML5 tutorial. And in this video I'm going to cover a few things that I could not cover in the previous video. So in this video I'm going to cover the header, and I'm going to mention it. So header, then nav, ul, also ol, basically unordered list, ordered list, li, and then anchor tag, which we already have discussed here, so I'll leave that. And then what else is left? Let's check. This is the spelling, sorry. Main aside section footer. Okay, so the only thing was left is p, and p is okay, that's for paragraph. So let's quickly go ahead and create a header in this page, in the about page. So header is very simple. It's a nav, basically the display, which on most of the website you'll see will be on the very top. It may have a banner, then may have a logo, buttons, search bar. So we will cover the search bar or input tags elements in form section of this tutorial. So let's go ahead and create a header. So basically header is, I already have created one header in the index.html file, so you can go ahead and just open it. So I'm going to work on it, and this is header, and you can see this is the article header. Here we have the header, the page header. So header, banner, logo, and navigation bar goes here. So go here. I'm sorry. So and then so in the header we can have a logo, a banner, and then we can have one navigation. So basically I can say I can give it image. So that's the image tag. I will go out and pull a placeholder for it via placeholder.com/ let's keep it 800, and then by 150. So that's width 800 and height 150 pixel. Okay, that's totally different thing. Okay, that's not part of HTML. Then we can give a title, top banner. Okay, then we can have a logo. So logo could be just an image or just text. So I'll go with the text. I'm using heading 1, and then I'm just saying logo. After that we can do one more thing here. We can put it in a separate section, but we don't have to style yet, so I'll leave it as just like separate tags. Okay, then we can create nav. So under nav we will have unordered list, and under this we will have li, and then under li we can have anchor tag. So basically I can say this is going to be my home page, or say about page. So I'll go to about.html. that can be internal or to a different website that you may have, or somebody else's website. About us, and let's go ahead and see how it looks like now. So this is index page. So this is what we have, logo and the button here, the navigation. We can give more of it, so basically we can just copy it and paste over here. Okay, so it doesn't look good, so what I'm going to do here, we have a shortcut on emit that we can use control and the brackets, and then so right bracket takes you to the right, left bracket takes you to the left. So it goes with control or command if you're on Mac. That looks a little better. Okay, here we go. So if I go ahead and change it, this is going to be index, and this is going to be, doesn't look good, so I'll go ahead and change this one, index, and this is going to be about, this is going to be whatever you call it, services, and this is going to be blank because we haven't created yet. So this is a placeholder for the link. This is also going to be a placeholder, and we can say contact. Right, so these are basically navigation, or you can say links. So if you go ahead and inspect element using whatever browser you have, you can see it's everything under navigation, so you can see it here. So this is header. In header we have image, then we have a logo which can be styled, and then we have under header we have navigation. In navigation we have unordered lists. So unordered list is styled with this dot, you can say. Technically it's called disk, and then we have list and list. Under list we have anchor tag, that's anchor tag element, okay, and then we have the attribute, that's basically the location of the anchor text, and this is the text, okay. So that's the header part of HTML page. I'm quickly going to see what else I have to talk about. So we have talked about header, navigation, order list, unordered list, and then order list. Okay, let's quickly go ahead and do order list as well. So let's say you have something in here in this section, the article section, that you want to put it in order list. So you will simply say order list, OL, that's order, and then say LI, that's a list, and this could be, let's quickly go ahead and use a shortcut. So, and then you can select everything and type something here. So item number, whatever it is, okay, save it. So this is order list, and this is how it's going to look like. So you can see this is numbered, that's what is ordered list, numbered list, and this is dotted list. So this is unordered list, and this is order list. There's one more thing here that we can talk about, descriptive lists, okay, that I'm going to talk about in the next video. Descriptive list, that is a very good element for SEO purpose, and also this looks good on your pages. So in the next video we're going to talk about descriptive list, okay. So we have already spoken about unordered list and order list. In this next video I'm going to talk about descriptive list. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Happy coding. Goodbye for now.